Now cutting across to the news that is just coming in. War of words happened between Sena BJP leader during handing over of advance check of GST compensation to the BMC. But when BJP workers started shouting the Prime Minister's name, Shiv Sena corporators started shouting anti-Modi slogans. This happened in front of Uddhav Thackeray and the Finance Minister of Maharashtra, Mungatiwar. Most of the BJP corporators left when Uddhav was making speech. BJP alleges that corporator Makran Narvekar was heckled by Sena workers as well. Another rift inside in this news that we've just got the visuals on your screen. What happened inside the BMC hall when the Sena BJP leader were there, and also this happened. A war of words between the two groups after advance check of GST compensation was being handed over to the BMC. Remember, BMC is where Shiv Sena was able to muster a majority, but BJP coming pretty close, and it was a keenly fought elections after which the BJP decided that the BMC corporator head could be from Shiv Sena. But when BJP workers started shouting the Prime Minister's name, Shiv Sena corporators took an exception to that. Uddhav Thackeray, interestingly, also present at the occasion where BJP leaders have said that they were heckled. One of the BJP leader has said that he was heckled. It's corporator Makran Narvekar. The fact is that between Shiv Sena and the BJP, there has been an uneasy calm for now. Let me go across to my colleague Mayuresh. Mayuresh, is that uneasy calm now ending, as evident with the deeper friction between the two groups from this news?
See, the friction today also we saw when the Uddhav Thackeray came and Sudhir Mungantiwar came. The ceremony was to give or to hand over the check of GST compensation. But once both these leaders arrived, both the groups started chanting slogans. And all of a sudden, Shiv Sena started chanting slogan of chor, chor, chor. And once the ceremony got over, Makran Narvekar, who is also a corporator from Shiv's BJP, he alleges that Shiv Sena and Shiv Sainik heckled him outside the assembly hall where this function was happening. So right now, if you could see in the visuals also, you can clearly hear that the BJP corporators are saying Modi, Modi, where the Shiv Sena corporators who were angry, they are saying Ghar Ghar Chor hai, Chor hai, Chor hai. So this friction, no one was expected that when the party chief and the state finance minister was at the center in this whole function, this kind of show was not expected from either of the parties. On top of it, when Uddhav Thackeray started to make his speech, BJP corporators started going out of the halls one by one, and which was quite insulting to Shiv Sena. Back to you.
All right, be with me, Mayuresh, because let's play out that entire sequence once again for our viewers. We'll come back to you. Slogans from both the sides. BJP workers hailing the Prime Minister, Shiv Sena shouting anti-Modi slogans, all in the presence of Uddhav Thackeray inside the BMC hall. Mayuresh still with us. Mayuresh, did Uddhav Thackeray intervene and try to cool off tempers of Shiv Sena workers at the occasion, or was he a silent spectator?
No, both the top leaders, Uddhav Thackeray as well as even Finance Minister Sudhir Mungantiwar, even BMC chief Ajay Mehta also tried to intervene. He said, let the ceremony get over, let the ceremony or the handling of the check get over, then we can proceed. But people or the corporator were really not happy. There were large amount of supporters from both the party outside the hall as well as outside the BMC headquarters. And not only in the BMC headquarters, in the BMC hall, but outside also the same slogans were chanted. On top of it, now BJP has alleged that one of their corporator, Makran Narvekar, was allegedly heckled by Shiv Sainik and Shiv Sena corporators, for which Makran Narvekar has given an application or a letter to BMC chief to get that CCTV footage of the BMC hall.
All right, Mayuresh, thanks for joining us. We'll get back to you for more details.